Welcome to the ultimate step-by-step guide on how to grow your very own avocado tree from a simple seed. It's an incredibly rewarding journey. Instead of throwing away the pit after making guacamole, you can transform it into a beautiful leafy houseplant with just a little patience. Today, we will cover every single detail, from choosing the right seed, sprouting it in water, potting it in soil, to long-term care and troubleshooting tips. Before we begin, gather your materials. You'll need a fresh avocado pit, 3 to 4 wooden toothpicks, a small glass, fresh water, and eventually a pot with soil. Growing an avocado takes time. Sprouting can take anywhere from 2 to 8 weeks, so don't discourage if nothing happens right away. Patience is key. Step 1 is selecting your avocado. Organic, healthy, and fully ripe avocados often yield the best, most viable seeds for successful sprouting. When cutting open your avocado, be extremely careful not to slice into or scratch the central pit. Any deep cuts can ruin its chances of growing. Gently remove the pit from the fruit. Wash it thoroughly under cool water to remove all remaining green avocado flesh. Do not use soap. Look closely at your pit. One end is slightly pointed. That's the top where the stem grows. The flatter end is the bottom where roots will emerge. Pro tip: gently peel off the brown outer skin. While not strictly mandatory, removing this skin helps prevent mold and accelerates the sprouting process. Next, take your toothpicks. We will insert them at a slight upward angle. This ensures the bottom stays submerged while the top stays dry. Push 3 or 4 toothpicks firmly into the middle of the pit, spacing them out evenly. They will act as a scaffolding to suspend the seed. Now, choose a clear glass or jar. Using a clear container is crucial because it allows you to easily monitor root growth and water cleanliness. Fill your glass with clean, room-temperature water. Tap water is usually fine, but filtered or distilled water can reduce mineral buildup over time. Set your setup in a warm spot that receives plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. A windowsill that doesn't get scorching hot is absolutely perfect. To prevent bacteria and mold from growing, you must change the water regularly. Aim to replace it with fresh water every 5 to 7 days. During the first 2 weeks, you might feel like nothing is happening. However, you'll soon notice the top of the pit drying out and wrinkling. By week 3 or 4, a deep crack will form, splitting the pit completely from top to bottom. This is a great sign that life is starting inside. Soon after the split, a tiny, thick white taproot will emerge from the very bottom of the pit, slowly making its way down into the water. Always ensure that this growing root remains completely submerged in water. If the water level drops too low, the root can dry out and die. Shortly after the root establishes itself, a tiny green shoot will begin to peek out from the top crack of the avocado pit, growing upward. As the shoot grows taller, the very first tiny, delicate leaves will begin to unfold at the top. Your avocado is officially a seedling. Troubleshooting tip: if you see white fuzz or slime on the pit, don't panic. Gently wash it off under running water and thoroughly clean the glass. Once your shoot reaches about 6 inches tall, we hit a major milestone. In the next segment, we will talk about the crucial first pruning step.